see if it was winds up being a smart move or not. So for you guys that are out of practice, right? We got the drop base drop. We put our lines around. I put it around this whole thing. If you do it on a 5, it's okay. I mean, you could have done it a little smaller. Let's just roll with it the way I have it, right? And if I put the measuring stick on here using the short position 1 in trading view, okay? Well, let's do the juice in the level first. 2.2, 2.65. It's acceptable for an intraday trade where I may not be going for like a 3-to-1 on all of them or something like that. But I'll get to why I didn't set it up in a second. Right now, let's go through some pros and cons. All right, so it's a 3-minute chart, which is guys know where I find those more acceptable, and I do pretty well with them. Okay, but the one pro that it had was
Hey,
it's
Ryan,
right.
can I interrupt you for 1 second?
Yeah, please.
Where are you putting your stop?
Right up here. Or you mean exactly like where?
Yeah,
How much
exactly.
room am I
Yeah,
giving it?
because really you should be, because the measuring stick really needs to be pulled from exactly where the stop is. So in a sense, there's
Eh,
actually a little less juice in the level than.
yeah. So like I'd put it at 50, 6509, 690550, right? What I really wanted to measure with the measuring stick wasn't necessarily my exit, but the juice, right? So for the juice in the level, even less. And then as Mitch said, if you give it the extra point and a half or so, you're gonna have even less juice in the level. Now, one way you may talk yourself into it is, as we've been saying,